morning, everyone. Today I will not be sharing one of my favorite recipes. Today will be a day to talk about the future. Mine and Marcus's future and the future of the Rooster Farm. As I look back at the last few years, I am proud of what Marcus and I have built. We have fulfilled a lot of our dreams. When I first started my channel one short year ago, there was no thoughts that we would ever move from this beautiful place. I mean, how could we? There's so many cherished memories. We fell in love with each other here, and we shared that love with all our family and friends when we got married on the property. But to get to the point of this video, we knew that farming was a big job. We were willing to give it a try, but even though we loved the farm and the idea of being farmers, we had to be realistic and admit that at our age, in our 60s, I'm 61 and Marcus is 63, we should really be working so hard, and we really don't have any time to do some of the other things that we like to do. And one of those things is traveling. Even though at this time in history, not very many people have been allowed to travel because of COVID, that is starting to change. Before COVID, whenever we left the farm, it was really difficult. I mean, it never failed. The minute we went on vacation, something always went terribly wrong. And so we've come to the realization that farming, yeah, it's a full-time job, there's work every day, and basically, if you don't work, if you're not here working on the property, you don't get paid. The farm definitely has helped us pay our bills, but not totally, as you know, Marcus has still had to work, and I have worked in the past, and we needed to do that to make up the difference. So Marcus and I have just really been soul searching and just figuring out what we want to do with the rest of our lives and what we want to do in our future. And we decided it's time to sell the farm, and just to start our new adventure. And it will be a very, 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 very sad day. I know when I have to leave this beautiful place, this place that we've created. But we are really excited about the next chapter of our lives. And here's a few pictures here, or videos of, or a little hint about what that's gonna look like. Anyways, I'm still planning to share all my favorite recipes. They're just going to be shared from a different kitchen. And I hope you'll continue to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all the support I've received over the past year. It's been incredible. And I would hope that everyone like us has a chance, an opportunity to be able to follow your dreams. Life really is too short, and it's important to be able to live your life to the fullest, because you know that life can be taken away from you in a heartbeat. So I'm going to sign off by wishing you all a wonderful day, and until next time, this is Terry here at Rooster Farm. Bye for now.